Hello friends, once again welcome to our new video. In today's video I am going to tell you how you can recover your forgotten pin, pattern, password of your smartphone without visiting any service center and without using any computer software. In today's video I am going to tell you such a method of unlocking the locked mobile which is completely different. This unlock method is different because here even after your phone is unlocked, all the data of your smartphone had old data, whatever application was already installed in your phone, you will see in it your phone. Whereas if you unlock your phone through service center or any computer software, then all the applications that were already installed in your phone will be deleted. Throughout nowadays, this method is also being used in service center, so it's fully certified. With our method you will get convenience that you don't need to go to the service center. You can recover your lost password sitting at home, as well as you don't have to pay any charges at the service center. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing, that your phone should not battery less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully charge your phone at least 30%, else you can charge your phone at the time of your using this method. So one of the most important thing I would like to tell you, that this method is updated every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take the help of my upcoming video or old video. For this you must subscribe to the channel. If your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lots of encouragement to make the next video to help you in further. So firstly you will have to what you have to do, see here, just a minute. Now you can see here my phone has been locked due to the password method, locked. So firstly you will have to activate your phone airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. You can see here there is an option of airplane mode. So firstly you will have to click on this option. Because your phone should be completely out of network using this method. So firstly you have to click on airplane mode. Now slide it upside. So now the second method is, you will have to click on emergency call button. Now after calling on emergency call button, you will get a such type of page. There is a dialing pad. Now I'm going to give you a secret code. This secret code is generally used to close the all background application were running before your phone has been locked. So this secret code is, you may take a screenshot also about it. Star has 8521 4700, then hash. After dialing this number, you have to click on call button. You will get a prompt of call failed. So simply generally click on OK. Again repeat this process 3 times, 2 and 3. Now the first process has been completed. Now you have to simply go with the back button. Again open emergency call SOS. Now I'm going to on engineers mode option. It's also known as master unlocking method. So this hashtag is star hash 899 and hash. After dialing this number, you will see a such type of page. You can see here from top to bottom there are lots of options over there, but there is a option that is a software version. You can see here software version. You will have to click on software version. After clicking on software, you will see a such type of page. There are lots of options there, over there. You can see here your phone's model number has been displayed at the top of a phone, RMX2117. It's your phone model number. Now you can see here at the second option, Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing Android version 13, 11, 10. So at Android version you will have to click, I will have to click on this option 12 times. If your phone is showing Android version 11, then you will have to click on this option at least 11 times. So my phone Android version is 12, so I will have to click on this option 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After click on this option, now you will have to stay for 3 seconds. 3 seconds has been completed. Now you will have to go simply with the back button. After going back, you will get a such type of page. Now you can see here there is an option of a manual test above software version. So simply click on this option, manual test option. Okay, now clicking on manual test option, you will get a such type of page. You can see here assembly test project, device debugging page, camera page, media debugging page, WCN, communication, then other. You will have to stay with the other option. Now you can see here there are 5 type of option over there, but you have to go with the database version. You can see here database version. So simply it may be possible your phone will show main board version option, both are same. You will have to click on this option at least 9 times. So click on this option 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After click on this option, you can see here there is a second option, read write important log test. So simply click on read write and important log test option. After clicking on this option, you will get a prompt to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to cancel it and continuously do this process at 3 times, 2 and 3. After 3 times, at the 4th time, you will have to click on read write important log test option, and at this time you have to click on OK option. After clicking on OK option, your password or pattern unlock method has been now in process. Unlocking process has been activated now. Now sliding it left side, you will see a option of device debugging option. You can see here device debugging option. There are also lots of option over there in this page, but you have to go with the here. You can see sensor self-test and calibration option. You can see here sensor self-test and calibration option. So simply click on this option. You will get a 2 type of prompt. It may be possible in your phone it will show 3 type of option, 1 type of option. So generally you have to simply click on this option until, I mean to say, you have to operation not started option have to start these options. So simply start this option. You will have to click on these options until you get a message to test pass message. You can see I am continuously clicking on these options until I get test pass message. So continuously click on these options. Now you can see here there is a single option has come on your display, test passed message. You will have to click on these options until you get a single message of test pass. Okay, if you get a test pass message at a single option, now your phone has been completely unlocked. So simply what you have to do now, you have to go with the home button. You can see here at the bottom of phone there is an option with the home. You have to simply click on this home button. Now you can see here your phone has been completely unlocked. If your phone has been unlocked by this video, then kindly please like this video for the further encouragement to make a new video for the next technical issues. So your phone has been completely unlocked and all the data which were in your phone before your phone has been logged as usual as it in your phone. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video with the next issue.